Well, well, well. Good morning, everyone. It's Monday, new week. I have to do this video because I wanted to update you all on a couple things. If I don't do it today, it's going to be a week from now, and I've lost another week, and there's more stuff to talk about. So first of all, the reason why I have to do this video today is because I'm going to Montana tomorrow, Tuesday. You know, there's an MOA national rally in Montana this year, Great Falls, and it's the west version. So our rallies, remember, go west, central, east, like that. So this year's West Coast rally is in Montana, and then next year will be central, and so on. And I had always told myself when I joined the MOA I wouldn't go to the West Coast rallies, and the reason for that is because of I work for a living, and I can't go. I don't want to just go to Montana, drive straight there, and then go to the seminars and stuff, and then drive straight home and take like 3 weeks off work, which is my whole off time for the whole year. I can't do it, and so I'm not going to fly to a motorcycle rally either. Well, I am this time. So West Coast is always going to be off my list, but I put my name into the hat, as you guys remember, back in January for the MOA National Club Board of Directors, and amazingly, most of you thought I was a good pick, which, that's turkey. You guys got some turkey, guys? Check out some turkey. Thought I was a good pick. And so, that's great. Look at that. We got some turkey over here. See them? Just doing their thing. Foraging, looking for some food. Get nice and fat for me. You're small now, but you won't be for long. So a few of you picked me, selected me to serve you on the board this year, and so for that I'm obviously very, very impressed and amazed and humbled. So part of being on the board is it's required attendance to go to the national rally. Now, you don't get reimbursed for this. You have to get there on your own dime, but it is required attendance. So I had to scramble to. I didn't think I was going to get picked. I had to scramble. Flights to Montana are stupid expensive. It was $700 to fly to Montana from Boston. I tried flying out of JFK, EWR, DCA. I did all the Northeast regional seaboard, Atlantic seaboard, hubs, and it's not cheap to get to SLC or like Denver. It's cheap to get from those hubs to Great Falls, or expensive. And so now I looked at it. I was like, well, I could wait another week. No, I looked on Saturday. The last minute flights are now $1,200. Luckily, the MOA did block off some rooms for us, so I ended up having a room at a hotel, even though they're all sold out. So I was able to book a room. So if I'm being a complainer for once in my term, it's that I never thought that volunteering to be on the board of directors would cost me like $1,700. just to volunteer on the national board. I had no idea. So I jokingly told Heather, man, I should have waited a year and done Central East as opposed to West Central instead. That chipmunk survived, by the way. He's fine. So that's my one complaint you'll ever hear from me on serving on the national board, is that I am going to be down $1,700 before I even start my term. But other than that, I'm going to be at the National Rally, Montana. I fly in Tuesday night, and I'll be at the Spring Hill Suites, which is kind of like the closest one to the convention center. And if you are in that hotel or in that area and you want to meet up Tuesday night, preferably you allow me to record our conversation so we can do like a whole little podcast, because I'm actually going to be in person, so I'm bringing my podcasting equipment. And then Wednesday morning is going to be, Wednesday to noon basically is going to be spent being inducted into the board of directors, attending some meetings, kind of, just learning, listening, experiencing. I'm not going to be going for any sort of officer role this year. I'm just going to be, well, as Wes, who is our outgoing president, told me on the phone last week, just spend your first year listening. Just take it all in. Learn as much as you can. You've got a 3-year term, so just listen, and hopefully you'll find your way, but don't jump right in and try to be proactive or productive or earn your keep, because there's time for that. Just listen. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do what I can. So I've had phone calls from a lot of the current board members have called me up, which is fantastic. So I have some nice conversations. So I'm excited. And then also I pitched, it's a busy week, by the way. I also pitched to Bill, the MOA magazine editor, because as you guys know, I was lucky enough to have 2 covers last year on the magazine and 1 featured story, which was great. I told Bill that we're lacking a lot of high quality rally photos these days. And so I asked him if he'd be okay with me pitching. I pitched to him a postcards from the rally, photo journal, and basically for 3 days I'm going to be walking around just taking photos of people having a great time, seeing old friends, just try to make it as human as possible with my camera. And that's the way I'm going to volunteer, chiefly volunteer as just a full-time photographer. In addition to that, there are a few things going on. So I'm going to the MOA magazine contributors dinner or luncheon. They're all lunches or dinner, I don't know. So I'll be doing that because I obviously had some things in the magazine last year. I've also been invited to the MOA Foundation's Safe Miles reception. I should go into this real quick. The MOA Foundation is awesome, full stop. But what they did about 3 years ago is they announced a Safe Miles endowment. And what the goal of this was, and I didn't understand this until I talked to one of the board members in the foundation. What the goal of this is to raise $1 million that wouldn't get touched. And the MOA would guarantee that through the interest and the dividends of this endowment, the MOA will be able to fund all of its current Paul B. scholarships and under other, MOA Foundation charitable rider safety training from the dividends and interest of just the $1 million endowment. So they're trying to get to $1 million, and then after that $1 million, they're done fundraising on that endowment, and it'll just basically pay dividends forever. Isn't that cool? And so I didn't understand what they were trying to do. I thought they were just trying to raise $1 million to spend it. No, they're trying to raise $1 million to have that nest egg to pull interest from. And so here's a great thing you guys should do. I'm serious. For $8 a month, I think it's $250 a year, which is fully tax deductible. You sign up for $8 a month to set towards Safe Miles. In exchange for that, you get a bunch of swag, whatever. We all have swag. You get a bunch of swag, but you also get 100. You get entry into every single one of their motorcycle giveaway rallies, which is like 3 a year. So you're getting about $200 back in value as a part of the MOA's raffles, which you were already buying tickets for anyway. And then, if you go to the National Rally, there's a Safe Miles Endowment contributor dinner and reception. So you're getting a free meal. You're getting all the raffles. You're getting free stuff. Oh, and you also, for your $250 donation or $8 a month, you're getting your annual membership covered as well. So when you add it all up, it's like you give MOA $250 and they give you like $400 back in value. So I joined. I signed up for it, and then I got invited to dinner. There's also a reception for the regional coordinators. There's also another reception thing for, I'm drawing a blank. There's like 5 meals at the Montana rally they're giving us. So I'm going to be in Montana all week. I've got my podcasting gear with me. I'm at the Spring Hill Suites. And so if you would like to be on the podcast or just chat, we can just talk. It's fine too. Please send me an email or comment or something with your email address, and I'll drop you a note. I think that my schedule's going to fill up pretty quickly, but I'd like to see some of you guys. I'm not doing any seminars. I thought about doing a seminar, but I think I need some more seat time and more experience before I do a seminar. I want to talk about some things, but I want to wait. I was thinking about doing one on like travel, Farkles, from new rider to board member, very self-indulgent things. So anyway, that's that. Also, in other news, I don't know if I talked about this yet. I did manage to get a seat at the GS Trophy qualifier in Spartanburg, South Carolina, in September. So I was the first. I think one person bought a ticket ahead of me. There's 50 spots open, and so me and 50 other GS riders are going to qualify to be the top 3 East Coast riders. Hopefully, one of us is as good as the top 3 West Coast riders, and we help make up Team USA in Albania next year. We'll see how it goes. Also, I guess the last thing is that I did have a great time leading the Yankee Beamers ride last week. I'm sure you guys saw that video. It was a nice time. I had a blast, and Rosie did well. What else? Shoot. Oh, I almost forgot. Holy crap. The Green Mountain Rally tickets are on sale now. So myself and Chip are co-chairs for the rally for the second year in a row. No, we skipped 2020. For the second year, Chip and I are co-rally hosts. And so tickets are on sale now for $60. And members got them for a little bit cheaper because they're members. But we now have the tickets open to everyone. In 3 days, we've sold 100 of the 275 tickets. So I'm not saying they're going to sell out like this week, but they will sell out. So if you want to go up to beautiful Goshen, Vermont, to the Green Mountains and ride around with us and have some great food and just hang out with motorcycle riders and do some fun stuff, it's a great time of year to come up in September. Just the start of the fall leaves changing, leaf peeping, leaf oranges, orange and red. That's all starting. So yeah, please come up. Cabins are sold out, but as they always do in like 10 minutes. But please come up and hang out with us for $60. It's a hell of a deal. You get entertainment, you get music, you get camping, and great riding. Yeah. So, and if you do sign up for that, let me know. I want to see you there as well. And then also just a last reminder for now that, and I'll talk more about this in a month or so, but the Sugarbush MOA Getaway, which I'm also hosting, is a week after the GMR, and that's $100 before hotel. So it's obviously less of a value on paper than the GMR, but you are in a hotel, and that's going to be the week after the GMR. So if you go to come 2 weekends in a row, come on, squirrel. That's that. So I think that's it. I've got to basically just process this video and fly out tomorrow to Montana. Thanks for watching, everyone. Usually I get to talk longer, but that's my commute to work. Yes, I'm back at work now. I've got a ton of interns that are all in the office with me. They're doing great. And yeah, I'm back in the office full time. It's still weird because we have like a maximum of like 20 people is our capacity. So it's not like we're not fully up and running yet in person. But hey, we got a bike here today. Let's park next to our bike friend. We'll park next to our bike buddy. But it is nice that we're all kind of coming back together slowly. And it's weird because my interns actually wanted to be back in person. I gave them all the choice, and they all said unanimously, yeah, we want to be in person. So here we are. Oh, I did actually the other day, I noticed when I was on the Yankee Beamers ride, I noticed that I heard a loud crack, and I'm like, oh no, did I break my shifter again? No, I actually bent the alt-rider plate. It must have, so the alt-rider plate hangs up here. It must have got stuck on a rock or something out there. Stuck on a rock, it bent down. So now this is off the ground, this is on the ground, and it yanked out the screw. Those threads are shot. There's no thread left in this hole. So, Alt-Rider, I'm regretting that this thing costs $80. Can I just like get one for a discount? They don't know who I am, but I gotta buy a new side stand enlarger. All right, guys. Well, back at work. Thanks for watching. See you all in Montana, and ride safe. Actually, most of you are probably en route now, so if you're watching this from a hotel room or campground, also Sergey, hope you're having a good trip. I saw your video that you're leaving. Safe travels. Be careful and have fun, and I'll see you in Montana, buddy. All right, everyone. Take care. Bye.